9 out of 10 working professionals make basic, boring and average looking reports and presentations like these that barely serve any purpose. But if you want to be that one employee that stands out and gets noticed, you need to learn how to make interactive and insightful presentations like this that do all the talking and can serve as a crucial tool for decision making. And trust me, even you can make this kind of a killer presentation in just 5 minutes. So get set to acquire this unfair advantage by learning 10 simple game-changing tools in the ChatGPT and AI Tools workshop by BTNS. In this interactive and hands-on workshop, you will learn 10 powerful AI tools that will make your work 10 times simpler and 3 times increasing your productivity. And not only will you be able to automate your day-to-day tasks and formulas in Excel using simple prompts or create macros in seconds, you will also be able to do a whole lot of other stuffs and build new superpowers to add to your resume, such as being able to do extensive research or create well-researched content in less than 5 minutes, do complex coding, debugging codes, create mind-blowing presentations right from the content to professional-looking animated slides, and so much more in less than 15 minutes. The best part is you don't need any prior technical or AI experience to start. So what are you waiting for? Register right now for this workshop and get bonuses worth 10,500 rupees for absolutely free.